وشات عليكم راديو إيماب.
Let's read الإذاعة الفاتح. You are listening now to Emepe Radio. مرحبا بكم على أمواج إذاعة الفاتح، الإذاعة الأكثر استماعا.
نضمن لكم أراء في الأوقات. كونوا أوفياء بالمعلم and keep listening.
Is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear the headmaster, my dear teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, peace and blessing of Allah be upon you. We welcome you and we're glad to present to you our English program, which is titled A Day for Nature. The best start is with the Holy Quran recited by the student Ibrahim al-Bakkal.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والأرض مددناها وألقينا فيها رواسي وأنبتنا فيها من كل شيء موزون وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش ومن لستم له برازقين وإن من شيء إلا عندنا خزائنه وما ننزله إلا بقدر معلوم وأرسلنا الرياح لواقح فأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأسقيناكموه وما أنتم له بخازنين. صدق الله العظيم.
Trees are very important. They make oxygen which we need to breathe. They use up carbon dioxide which can make pollution worse. Tree roots hold the soil in its place. They provide homes for insects and animals.
Arbor Day is a special day to help nature. It's an important holiday around the world. It's a day when people in schools, towns and communities plant trees. It's about encouraging people to do something to protect and help the environment.
I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful.
Around the world, the date is different because of different climates. Arbor Day is in April in the USA. In Brazil, it's in September 22nd, and in Egypt, it's in January 15th. Every year, people plant millions of trees on Arbor Day.
Finally, we would like to thank you for your best listening and following our English broadcast, which is introduced by the students Sulaf Shukri, Ibrahim Bilbakkal, Abdullah Husseini, Nisrin bin Mumin, Hadi Al-Wardi, and me, Huda Aziwi. With my best wishes, have a nice day.